Okay, this is for my 4th and 5th graders. We will learn about value this week, and I want you to read this message. It's very important for you and your parents to read. Value is very important for us to know because value is not just about art, and also you learn about this word in math, about the value of money and life and stuff like that. It has different meaning. But in art, we're gonna learn value is on how dark or light a color can be made. It can be darker with black or lighter with white. So we're gonna talk about this thing later on at school. So we're going to create this activity because you guys saw this thing I've been doing last summer, and many of you were asking me when we can do this thing. So here is my Bemaji painting and coloring. We're basically going to use the color pencils. We're going to keep it simple. Now this is the one I've been doing here at home. We're using color pencils, regular pencil. Of course, we know eraser. I never have erasers. And a ruler. So how we're going to create these triangles if you're at home? What you're going to do, you're going to make it 3 dots. In this case, I'm going to make one here, the other one here, and this here. And then what you're going to do, you're going to connect these dots with your line. Make sure you hold your line correctly, not from here. You have to hold the line from the ruler from the middle. Then you trace your dots, connect your dots, I'm sorry. And then you're gonna make a dot maybe in the middle, a little bit further. I'm gonna make it here. And then you're gonna just connect from each vertex of your triangle to the middle dot. So then, now you're gonna try to figure it out. Let's say this is one triangle, you can see here. I can put the letter A, B, and C. That's gonna be 1. Doesn't show too much, let me see. Yeah, it looks better now. So, and then you're gonna choose the colors you're gonna be using. In my case, I was using to make a value with green. Gonna use a black, gonna use some white, and I'm gonna try to look for the lightest green in my box. Easy. So now, see here, this is a dark green. It's a shade. So in this case, this size is going to be light. So otherwise, it's not going to show the color correctly. The triangles. And then you're going to color. And usually I use the white not because it makes the color lighter, but because it blends really nicely. And then if you don't have all the greens, what you can do, use the same green but put more pressure or less pressure when you color. Now let's say I'm gonna do this part. I'm using a dark green in this case. You can do this activity also with crayons. Now watch out because crayons are, since they are kind of greasy, sometimes they don't blend as good as color pencils. I'm gonna use a little bit of this one too. Now I'm not gonna complete my work. I'm just gonna do this part because all over here I was thinking to add some texture with lines. So it's a super easy activity on how we're gonna work with value this week. Thank you for watching.